Good morning. In this video, we are going to create a web page or application, drag and drop. In this, we can drag this and drop it in other boxes like this. So our final result is going to look like this. Let's code our HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We will start it from HTML. I have created my HTML, JS and CSS file. So I am now writing my HTML. Our title is going to be drag and drop. We have to link our CSS, as well as we also have to link a script. We are adding one more attribute, that is differ. First of all, we will have a section having class container. In this we have some div. We will create a div having class box. We have to copy it 4 times. In the first div, we are going to add more one div having class image. You have to set an attribute draggable true. So now our HTML is completed. So we have to move on CSS. So in CSS, first of all, we always have to reset our default browser settings using universal selectors. Now we are targeting our body. While writing CSS, we keep the live server on so that whatever changes we make are instantly reflected on the server. It's good. First of all, we will target our boxes which are under container dot box. Position relative, border 2 pixel, width 160 pixel, height 160 pixel. Now it is visible our boxes. We have to give it border radius of 12 pixel. Now we have to target our container. We have to set display flex. We have to give it gap of 10 pixel. We have to flex wrap. We have to make it in center, so that's why we will use justify content center. So that's good. Now we have to target our image that is going to be under the div, under the box. We have to set the image using CSS in the background of the box. So we will use dot box and we have a class image that is for image. Background image is going to be a URL. I have an image, you can see in the folder k.img. Sorry, it is k.jpg. I have to give it a height of 100%, width 100%, background size cover. We have to set it into the center, so we will use background position center, border radius of 10 pixel. Now it is totally fit in the box. We have written our CSS. Now we have to move on the script file. So now we are starting writing our script file. First of all, we have to select our DOM elements, that is boxes. We have given the class box in the HTML. Now we have to select our image. We have given it class the image. I have forget to mention it all. Now we have to loop through each boxes element. So we will use for each loop. Boxes. When a dragger element drag over a box element, so we have to set the event at that time box dot add event listener. Our event is going to be drag over. We will prevent our default prevent. We will add a class list. When we will drag on a box, it will add a class list hovered. Now when when a draggable element leaves box element, so at that moment what will happen? So we have to add an event. Event is going to be drag leave, a callback function. In this we will remove a class list, that is our hovered. When a draggable element is dropped on a box element, then what happens? So we have to add an event for that moment. So box dot add event listener, our event is drop, a callback function that will append the child, that was image, this one, and it will remove the class list hovered. So we have written our JavaScript code. We have to add a hovered effect. When we will hover on a box, the borders have to be changed. Border 2 pixel dash color code is 333. Now we will run our code and see the output how it. We will drag this and drop here. It is totally working, you can see that. Thank you. If you like this video, must like the video, comment on it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.